Before you view our video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tapping the bell icon so that you will be the first to know when we post new videos.
Mole removal on the skin with only one ingredient. Moles are a common type of growth on the skin. They usually appear as small, dark brown spots and are caused by clusters of pigmented cells, called melanocytes. By definition, they are actually benign tumors of the connective tissue and they usually occur in the size less than 1/2 inch. This phenomenon is very common because almost every person has at least one mole on the skin. There is no known cause of their occurrence and their size and number increase with age. Also, their number varies on average from a few to several hundred. Fortunately, there is a natural way to get rid of moles without going to the doctor. All you need is apple cider vinegar, which has the ability to remove moles without causing bleeding or scars. First, wash the area around the moles with water and mild soap. Dip a cotton ball in water and apply it on the mole, or rub it gently with brand new toothbrush. Dip a piece of cotton in apple cider vinegar. Apply the cotton directly on the mole and secure it with Band-Aid. Let it act for 15 minutes. Wash with water. Repeat the treatment 3 times a day, a couple of days to a week or more if needed. If all is done carefully, and the mole is deep in the skin, there will be no scars. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe to my channel. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.